Well, what's up, YouTube? Out trying to get everything ready to go for planting. And just got the cat oil changed and the case oil changed and all ready to go. Dad's going off to check some fields to see what's ready to go. Oh, for wet spot wise, it's just easier with the tractor than going out there in a truck. So, while he's doing that, I got to come over here. We got one field that needs disced, and problem is, Dad was disking up some wet spots and must have had some bolts come off or nuts come off this one gang, because as you can see, the shaft's worked itself back. Thought it was broken. Oh, you guys can't see in there, but the shaft is the shaft's just pulled back. So luckily we have some parts, disc gangs off of that one I took apart a few years ago. Sitting over in our cattle shed. So I should just be able to press that disc gang back into place, throw some new nuts on it and a new disc blade, and we should be good to go. So we're gonna work on that. Luckily, there's a through shaft through this bearing and these two spacers, and it's about, the shaft's about 3 inches off from coming all the way out. So I should be able to, it shouldn't be too hard to hammer out and get this all hooked back up. I'm gonna need a disc gang, and then there's another spacer here, and then a bolt or two. I'll probably double bolt it, or nut. I'll probably double nut it. That way, hopefully, this won't come off again. But yeah, let's see how big of a pain this is gonna be. Alright, let's see how much of a pain in the butt this is going to be. Hammering, and I couldn't get her to budge. I tried prying it, couldn't get her to budge. So we're gonna end up taking this disc gang off, pulling it out. It'll hopefully be easier. So, and I noticed when I was down there, this disc gang over here is loose. So we'll have to tighten that up, probably throw an extra nut on it. Yeah, this disc needs some love, but doesn't get a lot of use, so maybe this summer I'll get to it. Should be able to just lift this out and back it up a little bit. Got it all pressed back together. So now I'll be able to go get another disc blade and that spacer and some nuts. Then we'll be able to throw it back on. But, oh, it would have been so much easier if I could have just done that on the with it attached, because now I gotta wrestle this fucker back together or back under there. So, but yeah. Alrighty, so here's our disc gangs that we have just as spares. I took these off old 220 John Deere disc that we used to have. We scrapped that probably 2 years ago. But yeah, it's just the disc gang, or the discs and the spacers, all the same as our other our discs that I'm working on, and all the arms are the same, and all the scrapers are the same. And so we're keeping these around. I mean, a lot of these disc blades aren't that old, especially on these two sections here. A lot of them are pretty much brand new. We went through and replaced a whole bunch of them before the frame gave out on that other one. And so yeah, it's nice to have this stuff. Saves a heck of a lot of money fixing that disc. So yeah, but this is the but here, so I need this nut, and I need this spacer, and I need this disc blade. And so I might try and see if I can't steal another nut, or maybe I'll just tell Dad to go get a lock nut. We have a few lock nuts on our ripper because we always have issues keeping those nuts tight too. So maybe I'll just have them do that, and that way we really don't have to worry about it. But yeah, let's get this sucker off and get that other one back together. Well, that took a hell of a lot longer than, or that was a hell of a lot more work than I thought it was going to be, but. Okay, let's get this sucker back together. These threads don't seem all messed up, but well, maybe I am going to need to get a new nut. Shoot. Well, out of sheer luck, I found a nut hanging around that fits. I already know I can get it started. Well, I bottomed out the threads and the blades are still pretty well loose. I'm either going to need to get some more washers or some more spacer, or like a big spacer to put on there. Get these threads sucked down all the way. But Dad's back with the tractor, so we're going to get the planter hooked up. So this project's going to have to wait a little bit. So I suppose we'll catch back when I got more time to do this. Well, true to form, I get a little hasty and forget to press record when we put this gang section back together, and Dad found just an old bearing to use as a spacer. So hey, it works. But yeah, this is all back ready to go. Probably need some shots of grease in it, but we'll get to that. We only got a little bit of bean ground on the one field of bean ground that we got to disc up, some ponds from last year, so nothing too major. I'll try and make a video of it either way. I enjoy disking, so yeah. But anyways, I suppose job done, and we will see you all next time.